Hello, I am Alan Ladares, and I am here to teach you the basic elements of traditional animations. We will be talking about 3 topics in this video: keyframes and in-between frames, frames per second, and squish, squash, and exaggerations. To start, let's talk about animations. Animation is successive images shown in sequence used to create the illusion of movement. Each image in this animation is known as a frame. There are 2 important types of frames. Keyframes define the motion of the animation. They help with timing the movement of the animation itself. In-between frames are the frames in between keyframes. In-between frames allow the transition between keyframes to appear more smoothly. Together, these 2 types of frames create the illusion of motion. Next, let's talk about frames per second, otherwise known as FPS. Most animations are done in 24 FPS or 30 FPS. More importantly, there is animating in 1s, 2s, and 3s. This means the number of frames an image holds for. And animations in 3s will look more choppy in comparison to animations in 1s, but it would take less time to make. Animation in 1s are good for fast-paced actions, while everything else should be done in 2s and 3s. The final subject, exaggeration, is the means of amplifying an animation to make it feel more alive. The most important type of exaggeration is squash and squish. It shows the shifting of objects formed to show inertia and elasticity. Action mark and effect lines can further enhance the lively feeling of the animation. Combining these 2 will make an animation feel more dynamic and less static. That is all for the basic fundamentals. There is much more to learn, but with these bare basics, you can combine it with your knowledge of illustrations to animate anything.